I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only we made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Upa Nyandro Yong Siem Kahima Maharam Rengkat ki executive member jong hima hadian ke jingmi ki jingkeno na keseng KSU bu Siem bat ke executive committee baglarai ban ai jakai ke sipai hapot mula ke bahap pokok kor civil subdivision. Hakakat santre unailar arhajar arpusan kilalu me ke jingilang ke bekerke hak office tereka musiem ha mau kerwat. Hadian ke jingilang na kaliang pa Nyandro Siem Yong ula pensyaj kilat patai kubor ban kaliang jungu begitu kot jong ke executive committee ka hima. Keempat rai na menjur ban ajakash kisipai kumba ke KSU kala kenoa. Ndai kadang don tang jing terwalang baki kot jing tho nag BSF ka bagi panjaka kumba nyopo akar AA nag benta-bente ke BSF headquarter. Kumsi benta-ban penklan ke jing ada ke jaka kaput ke India bat Bangladesh. Upa Nyandro Siem Yong ula pensyairu bahaduk menta na kaliang jung bat ke executive committee ke Darbar Hima keempat rai ban ajakash ke BSF. Walag ladan ke jing terwa na kaliang jongki.
Hadirin kejitai banyak kalau rai kalau syam ke rai pun harum tak kalau lah mana kibopun kijaka barang light apa kekena rai barang dikor dia bertuah saudisi ya kijaka keba kampaji na kisno kitau tak berkong kabar ba kirorat kebisakta na kajing sim jaka jong sarkar India kidon ka hok banyo ya kabai luksan lan position kumba julat lan juku takam apo kai ma kabalai namar kajing temu jong ka sarkar India MHA bansna ya ka unit headquarter jong besar kalon banyada berpenklaim na jiwan rumto jong ki mandar na Bangladesh kil khat ada bar kila pen paulo bakan rom ke jingeda bat ka manra ya jing sosgan khamtam yengi jadu dio ripat besong ha de time basau balak tu yusiem ba un sim khia badikran yaudisi badik borjo ke besab ban aikam ajam ikikhon samlaj bahima maram nalor kam penroi balakadau hakasti ke baladat khatsan san arja husan jong besab kata ke garai ba ngela rai lepa dalam ya kot lepa da kada bahima haka al pratre na jun yung sunam arja husan di kami kasih ti nak KSU te ngemra di ong nomor kim tip ya ke di syabara ke Malaysia ya bi te kam ni ke mat mat kham tam ka jin pan khando jong ka jong disi namta ka jil kam bis ap kalong bani dah ni ba kamu tip batang ki isi la WE ki berkhabar ba ki biasa ap polis ka kam kumasan dengan ki Karbales Kebat haju poro kalau engkau menisu itu bermentang itu biji kedua berkaki mar nisokhay kena jeng tak kubur jom kita kisahlah semalam kaba ni sukhain ba maplekim tiap ya kalau dia bisa bara tiga lasu bam jakloit ban pergi kubur dia kata nampak ban on terlei tak kerja besar kalau ba harga dengan bar bagi kedua kita kasih kacang terik Kemudian arjar pesan. Dalam penghidup kita sendiri nak ikut bantu saya baik badan kembang lagi ki jaka bala terwas audisi. Kentok ya ka sobadam kemudian ke jaka ba la kedo ka sti siuru. Sobadam kemudian ke dia jan formula. Ndai ya ka no ke jaka badai ban ai kedebar kam parai